And welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa, and it's been a long time I've been vlogging, but I'll say the entire story after some time because today I'm at my home and I'm at my mid-semester break, and today I'm going to consult a skin doctor after a long time, which I really wanted. I am ready. I haven't applied any makeup or anything on my face. It's just sunscreen, that's it. Look, this is my issue. Okay, so I have to go and consult the doctor, and as always, I'm late. I have to change. I'm just gonna change and I'll come back, okay? Just got ready and everybody is shouting at me. I have to go right now. So finally, I reached from the place. I went to this doctor called Gina Kutan over in I'm not in Kannur, Thrissur. So I've been thinking to consult a doctor from very long, because if you are my OG viewer, you know that what all I'm going through and what all I've been through. My skin was like very sensitive and very like acne prone at a point, and then becoming to okay, then becoming to worse, then coming to this okay position. Right now what's the problem is I have this hair growth, which you mostly won't see in my videos. First it will be blurred out when I'm like shooting itself, with the camera has that thing, so that will be blurring out, and also I'm not coming that close to camera most of the time, so you can't see it in reality, and this phone camera never captures it properly. So I do have certain issues, like because of hair growth, there are marks over here, and other than that acne marks are really less nowadays. Whenever I have a lot of chicken or like fried food or like what sugar or all those things, that time it will come a bit, but other than that there is no much problems. So this is the main concern I have, and after consulting the doctor, she gave me a serum and a cream, that's it. And she asked me to do a laser, which is we have to continuously do it for around 6 months or something, but I can't do it. First of all, the reason is I will be going back to Kannur. Right now I'm in my mid-semester break, so that's there, and from next month anyway I can't cut the classes and come, because my juries and classes, everything is like proper tight schedule is happening, and also in December we have a jury, and after that on January I'll be going to Mumbai or Bangalore or wherever I'm getting my internship. So I'll be going for that and coming back by April. So it's like a long journey and I can't always come back and do it, so she's asked me to do it wherever I go. That is the first thing, and the next thing is it is around 30,000 for the whole thing, because I was constantly searching on YouTube to know the rate and how it works and everything. So basically what she said was like, for this side and this side, it is 3,000 to 3,500 for a person. So if it is 3,000, it will be hardly around 30,000 for around 10 sessions, I guess. So that's there, and currently it's a bit expensive for me at this moment. I don't know after 1 month how it will be. I don't know after this many months how much it will be expensive or like cheap for me. So I hope it let it become cheap for me very soon, so that I can do it, because the fact is I feel really conscious whenever I'm filming something, whenever I go to meet somebody. Because of that I have to apply a lot of concealer or everything. Yes, I do say that to embrace yourself exactly the way you are, but still sometimes people starts to judge and all those things, which I don't want to listen to that or give that opportunity for another person to talk like that. So that's there, and yeah, I have to do it one day for sure. I'll be doing it because that's really important for me because of this whole business. Because see, the fact of social media is a whole, because like when we are seeing a person like very flawless, and I'm not talking about the flawless proper perfect skin, no, but I do want that kind of mental satisfaction, not to make anyone feel that I'm looking good, but just for me to feel that, just to me to get that confidence to be okay, fine, I'm having proper things and everything. And also wait, today I'm going to make carrot halwa. As today night mein I was making these people's watch Sita Ramam, which I love the movie. I really love the movie. and I love that movie. For some reason I liked it. Oh my god. Okay, so along okay, something I just got a message, that's it. Okay, so yeah, I am going to make carrot halwa today. I haven't tried it making alone. I don't know if I will make alone or not. I'm not sure. I yesterday grated the whole carrots and all. I have to take it, and I'm not going to use sugar. As you all know, I have cut sugar, not entirely, but yes, entirely. Sometimes not entirely. I have to make it. So yeah, let me change. Okay. So yes, guys, you know what happened if you know. I slept off. I slept off very nicely. I slept at 2 o'clock and it is almost 5 o'clock right now. So, I don't know how clear I am. Wait. I want a coffee. Right now I can't. And also I'm walking with this huge 21-inch huge ring light with me because I forgot to bring my small tripod. And my ring light, that also whatever I have doesn't have a tripod because everything I kept on my hostel and came at. I have my carrot. I think it got freezed like anything. I have to keep it outside for some time. But I don't have time to keep it because I am not busy. Then we want coconut, some milk. Okay. So that's all we want for making our carrot halwa. Cooker. Usually people make with, I think they make with, I don't know, yaar. Let me have to see in YouTube because I have seen people making in tawa. I don't know about this thing. Now what I'm doing is I have made some jaggery. I've kept it on some water and letting it boil because I want something other than sugar, so I'm using that as an alternative. I've kept the pressure cooker over here and I'm going to add some ghee into that. Okay. I'm going to pour in our carrot. Then see, this is the condition. I think we can add some more ghee because from top I feel like ghee is less. I love ghee. I love all these smutty ghees, everything. I don't know it sounded wrong or not, but still. I've heard somewhere that we have to cook it for till the time the raw smell is gone. So right now I'm going to mix it up with some milk, some jaggery syrup, and I'm going to keep it for around 2 whistles. And after I've kept it to cook, I have also added coconut and all those things. Now 3 whistles are done. I look so damn sleepy here. Okay, so 3 whistles are done. I have to work on it after that, let it cool down. I'm going to make some coffee for myself. I'm going to use this Rage ka thing. I can see water inside. Kya karu main? Problem which happened was that my pani in my jaggery, so I hope you can like grate it and add rather than mixing it up with water and adding, because milk and water both made this halat. Okay, so right now the water have been like almost dried up. We are all done for the halwa preparation. I just want to mix it up, so that's it. Now I was searching for the garments and like the whole outfit pieces, which I am doing on my Instagram, that is hashtag PicoOTT with Shilpa. So that's the new thing which I started. I hope I have told this thing initially itself. So this is the whole series I have started, where I'll be sharing outfits either related to a movie or an actor or anything. It can be both gender, not just like for girls or like that. It will be for everybody. I'm just picking up inspiration from each movies or like each outfits which celebrities are wearing, or either I'll be also putting up the garments which is appropriate for that particular season. So every single day I'm posting either I mean, before 10 o'clock or whatever, I'll be posting it every single day. So, where you can go and get the exact, not exact, like something which is resembling to that in a most affordable manner, so that you don't need to like search for every other outfit ideas everywhere. And also, I felt like there is no point in me getting every garment and wearing, shooting a reel or video, which will take a lot of time, lot of money, and sometimes if it not works, I'll be like so sad. So I thought this will be much more better option, where you can like directly go to that link, click on it, you will be getting outfit options. If it's a bag, I'll be segregating according to the prices, the variants and everything, so there is no other hassle. So you can go and follow me on my Instagram, not to miss anything, because it's just on my Instagram, nowhere else I'm doing it, because that's the only possible way I can add the links and everything. So make sure you are following me there. Do not miss all those things, because I am taking time, so that it will be much more easier for you, right? You just want to follow, you just have to like pick up the garments whatever is available, I mean according to your needs, of course. So last week I have done for Dear Zindagi movie, Alia Bhatt's outfits, and this week I'm like taking a new movie. Wow. I think the jaggery powder have overpowered, but I think I should have added the grated jaggery instead of the watery jaggery. And don't give you. How's it? This lady na. Guys, good morning, and today's plan is about nothing. Everybody went, Sneha went to school and Amma went for office, and I'm alone. And what I have to do today is I have to make the Whole Truth's peanut butter, because Whole Truth is a brand which I really love their peanut butter, especially the choco peanut butter. I love it. They just claim to have these ingredients: cocoa powder, peanut, and dates. So I bought everything. So I'll be making it today, and let's see how it turns out to be. And I'm so excited for that, because I always get the whole dabba and I used to indulge in that a lot. So I love it. I love it. I love that only, yaar. I love that peanut butter more than any other peanut butter. So I have to make it. So not right now, because I haven't had my breakfast. It's almost 10:30 and I have to have my breakfast and all those things, and yeah. What I have for my breakfast: appam and egg curry. Taking the peanut butter, I am taking this much dates, and don't consider this as a cooking channel, because I am not at all expert in this, okay? So I have removed the seeds of these entire dates, and this much it was, and I don't know how many or how many grams this is, but still. Right now I am dry roasting the peanut, and this is for around 250 grams of peanut. If at all you are get it cleaned, and the cleaned ones you will get in packets now, get that one rather than going for the ones with the shell, because it's so hard to remove. Yeah, I've done with this. It took a lot of time. You can see after grinding it for a while, it will look like a paste. So my entire peanut got like a paste. So I have not fully crushed it. I want something like a crunchy version. So into this I'm going to add dates. Here at this point, that mixer made some really weird, creepy noise, and I've just stopped everything. Tried this trick. I just boiled the dates and then I mashed it in the mixer. So now it is coming like this. So I'll do it, okay? And yes, guys, finally it tastes so good. I'm telling you, this tastes so good. Finally, it's done. I'm just trying out to film with the back camera, and I think the clarity is becoming much more better, right? So do let me know how it is. Guys, so with this I'm going to end this vlog, and this is another day. I was actually filming for my business Instagram, and because I'm alone here, my Sneha went to school and Amma went for office and Acha went for office. Everybody is here and there. I am the only person existing here alone, and I'm like, okay, let me film something. Because I haven't bought my tripod, I couldn't do much, but I was not having that intention to come and film here. And actually today it was a plan like to meet Shruti, and she is a YouTuber, if you don't know. So I was planning to meet her, but she has something going on, so I couldn't go there. So the plan was cancelled, so I decided to like, okay, let me film, let me do my work. So yeah, this happens every single time. Okay, whenever I come, nobody will be there. And yeah, in 2 days I'll be going back to my hostel because my work starts again. I'll be coming back to my home after like December, not after December, on December. And also let me know what type of content you would like to watch. I'm not sure that if I would be able to like shoot the entire content type of video sitting and talking, but still I'll be managing, I hope so. I'm anyway uploading shorts on a daily basis, and also every single day I'm uploading the outfit series on my Instagram story. So make sure to follow me there, and make sure if you like this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, this is Shilpa signing off, and bye bye, take care.